Hey everyone, I just want to tell you about some exciting new changes for the Soap Challenge Club in 2025. A lot has transpired since I started the club back in 2013. We started with one competitive category and 3 sponsors who would rotate. That's how we started, and we've experienced multiple categories. We've added more prizes, recognition awards, all kinds of fun stuff. But the club was founded on a bunch of soap makers coming together to learn new techniques. And so that's what we really want to get back to in 2025. We're going to go back to the basics. We're going to reorganize the categories just a little bit so that new soap makers can feel comfortable joining us. I'm pretty sure that a lot of new soap makers have felt pretty intimidated by some of the challenges we've done recently, and that's okay. I just want you guys to know the club has always been a place where you can learn and grow, but maybe you didn't realize that. So I want to make it completely clear, new soap makers, please come join us. It is such a fun space to learn things and to grow together. We are such a fun and supportive community, and I hope that you will check us out next year. So here's what's changing. We have 3 competitive categories currently, as well as a non-competitive bonus category. So next year, the regular category is going to be competitive, but it's going to be focused more on learning those new skills. And then the prizes for those top 3 winners are going to be a choice between a tutorial from one of our past challenges or registration for 1 month in the Soap Challenge Club. So you can continue to learn with us. And anybody is going to be welcome to enter the regular category. It doesn't matter what your experience level is. Currently, if you've been making soap for more than 3 years, you're not allowed to enter the regular category. But that's going to change. So anybody who wants to enter that category can. You can stay there as long as you want and just participate for fun and for learning if you're not interested in being competitive. However, if you do get to first place more than once in the regular category, then it seems pretty obvious that you're ready to compete with the advanced category. So the advanced category, again, it's going to be anybody can enter if they want to. The focus is going to be on honing your skills and attention to details. Those are the things that seem to stand out for our winners, and so working on those skills is going to be something that you can do as part of the advanced category. And then once you've hit the top 3 in the advanced category more than once, and one of those is a grand prize, then you'll be moved into the winners category, where you will push the envelope with your soap making for fun and just super creativity. So that will be the goal of the winners category. And then we will not be having our bonus category anymore. So those are some of the changes that we're making. The advanced and the winners category, those top 3 winners are all going to get some form of either a gift certificate, prize, or some physical product with a value of $100 for grand prize, a value of $75 for second, and around $50 for third. And again, that's something that we haven't been able to do in the last few years since we added the winners category. So those are our exciting new changes to the club. We will have a full year registration opportunity open up on Saturday, December 28th. So if you're interested in registering for the entire year, that is the only time we do this, at the end of the year and on into January. After the January registration closes, that option is no longer available. So prices for that. If you want to do the full year, it will be $170. So it's like you get 2 months for free. And then registration for January through April and just January is going to open on Monday, January 6th, and that's when you will get access to the January tutorial. So those prices are $61 for January through April, or you can just do January for $16.95. So if you do the 4-month option, that's a 10% discount. So those are the things that are happening, and I will be announcing those January through April challenges very soon. So keep your eyes open for those, and I hope to see you in the club.